Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test some viral food hacks from 5 Minutes Craft and see if they are real or not. Now let's get started to our first hack. For the first hack, I have taken vanilla ice cream. Quantity of this ice cream is almost half kg. Now add 1 cup of flour and mix it very well. Now place this cake inside the oven and bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now it's been 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take this out and cover it with the cloth and let it at least become warm. Now cake has become warm, so let's remove the cake from mold. Cake has come out very soft and spongy, but not like 5-minute recipe. Our cake is not puffed up, so let's cut this cake and give little bit of height. Now drizzle chocolate syrup into the cake. My ice cream cake did not turn out like 5-minute recipe, but no matter, it came out very nice in taste and I liked it very much and I really loved it.
Now let's move to the next hack.
For the second hack, I have taken spaghetti in a big bowl. Add oil, salt, black pepper, garlic and onions. Now add marinara sauce, capsicum and carrot, basil and add water into it. Mix it well. Now it's time to add my favorite ingredient, that is cheese. Here I am using processed or mozzarella cheese. Now bake this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. They did not mention the temperature, so I baked it at 180 degrees. I cooked it for 10 minutes but it didn't cook, so this time I cooked it for 10 more minutes in a microwave. This recipe took total 20 minutes, yet it's not cooked completely, but now I can't cook this spaghetti for more minutes because if I cook for more minutes then cheese will burn and I don't want that, so let's taste this as it is. Taste of this spaghetti is okay and I will not make this again. If spaghetti had been pre-boiled, it would have much better in taste, so for me this hack is completely unsuccessful.
For this hack, I have taken 6-inch round mold and cover it with aluminium foil. Now place ice cream cone on the top of the mold. And keep aside. Now let's prepare cake batter. For that, take 1 bowl and add 1 cup of cake mix, 2 tablespoon oil and 3 tablespoon curd instead of egg. Now add Fanta and give it a good mix. Our batter is ready now. Pour into the empty cone. and bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check. I was very excited to try this recipe, but see how bad it looks. I also made 2 muffins from the same cake batter.
My cone cake is not looking good at all and I don't even like to taste it. But let's taste it. Who knows कि taste में अच्छा है यो? Its taste is also very messy and for me this hack is completely unsuccessful.
I am quite excited to try out the next hack, so let's check it out. For the next hack, let's prepare brownie mix. First, I am going to melt butter and chocolates by using double boiler method. Here I am using salted butter and compound chocolate. You can also use dark chocolate. Now add half cup of sugar powder and mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons curd. Give this a good mix. Our wet ingredients is ready, so keep aside, and now let's prepare dry ingredients. For that I have taken 1.5 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and pinch of salt, and sift it well. Now add wet ingredients into it. Mix it well by using cut and fold method. Now add half teaspoon vanilla essence and 1/4 cup milk. Now add roughly chopped almonds. You can also use walnut. Our brownie mix is ready. Now pour brownie mix into a paper bag. Add chopped almond. And microwave for 10 minutes as per the 5 minutes craft. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's check our brownie. It comes out nicely but little bit hard because of overcooking. The perfect time to cook brownie in microwave is 6 to 7 minutes maximum. But anyway, this paper bag brownie hack partially worked for me, so I like this hack very much. I will definitely make this recipe by using paper bag, and yes, for the next time I will microwave only for 6 minutes, not 10 minutes. Now let's serve this brownie with ice cream, क्योंकि ब्राउनी का असली मज़ा तो आइसक्रीम के साथ ही आता है. Now let's move to the last hack of this video. I have taken few basil leaves and chopped it very well. And microwave it for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds it looks something like this. So I have again microwave it for 5 minutes more. But still it does not come out like shown in the 5 minutes graph. So for me this hack is completely unsuccessful. If you enjoyed my video then please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.